Hi there. Please pass this information on to any parents, grandparents, caregivers, teachers you know that work with children ages 0 through 5 or with apprehensive swimmers. The more people that we can get this information to, the more lives we can save. I'm Kim Schultz, or Swim Kim. I'm the founder of Face in Water nonprofit, and we've been trying to think about how we can help everyone while you are at home. We want to help everyone stay safe in and around the water. So we have 3 things happening right now at swimkim.com. Number 1, we have our online safer swimming education available free to anyone that would like to access it. Just go to swimkim.com, put in your name and your email address, and we will give you free access to PDFs, articles, and videos on how to teach a healthy relationship with the water. We also have number 2 available, our Learn to Swim with Lou children's book. And this is on Amazon Kindle. All proceeds from this book go to Face in Water nonprofit. We're giving it away for free. You can download it for free on Amazon Kindle from May 1st through May 5th in honor of May being National Water Safety Month. The third thing we have available is our ebook online. It's a DIY, do-it-yourself, teach your child how to swim ebook. It's 120 pages, over 50 embedded videos, how to, step-by-step, how to teach your beginner child how to swim. So check out everything on swimkim.com. Again, please pass this information on to anyone that can use it. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.